Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and my sisters and brothers. Today is the 4th July 2023. And do you know the significance of the today's date, particularly in this country, Zambia? Everybody knows that today is the public holiday, and this public holiday is because of what? Because of Unity Day in Zambia. Now, question is that why Unity Day? There are need for the unity because Zambia is a multiple ethno-linguistic cultural country. There are several people who lives in Zambia. And after independence, when British colonial ruler has uh, has already gone, giving the independence to the Zambian people, it was not an easy task to keep the country united because at least 72 or more than 72 there are ethno-linguistic group in this country living here and there, but it was of the utmost necessity to keep the country united, not like to be divided like the other nations surrounding Zambia. But Zambia is a peaceful country, and it all happened because of the farsightedness of the first president, Dr. Kenneth David Kaunda. He had celebrated along with this Heroes Day in every year, the first Tuesday, the Unity Day. Thus, unity represents the motto of this country: one Zambia, one country. And henceforth, whoever are the civil service of this country, doesn't matter where he born and what language he is speaking, he is entitled to be transferred anywhere in this country. And that's the spirit of unity. It's just in the line of our country, India, because India is also a country of the multiple religions and multiple languages, multiple culture. But even then, this is called for India unity in the diversity. Same thing happens in Zambia. In Zambia, the major 8 or 9 languages are there. Those are Bemba, Nyanja, Chiwa, Kaunde, Luvale, Lunda, Tonga, and the Loji. But it doesn't matter whatever language the people are speaking. They are all Zambians united in the heart. And where the building of the nation appears in their mind, they do it wholeheartedly and sincerely. And that's why Zambia is progressing. And those days are not far. Zambia can capitalize the young citizens of here. And Zambia can boast that it's one of the youngest nations in this world. Its average age, you will be astonished to know the average age of Zambian people. It's around 15 or 14. You can imagine the tremendous power, tremendous potential of these citizens do they have. But despite this diversity, there are need to keep this country united. And that's why the significance of Unity Day is of utmost importance yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Every day. One nation, one Zambia, one country. And this is the motto. And with this motto, we hope that Zambia is growing prosperous in the coming years. What do you say? I don't have any doubt about it. Zambia is progressing.